Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a caption to a photo in Constant Contact. All right. So it's actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up any of your campaigns. For example, I had created a draft right here. I'm just going to open it up like so and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to Layouts. Okay. Right here in the left panel, we have Build. Under Build, we have the Layout section. You're going to want to select a layout that have the option to add your photo and a caption. These lines right here is your caption area. Okay. This one got one as well, and this one. Okay. For example, we're going to be using just one. Okay. What we're going to do is just drag and drop like so. And here's going to need an image. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and go to images. And then here, you're going to be able to see your profile image or account image. Okay. You can go ahead and upload more if you want to, but just click on the plus upload images right here. Just click on it. I can go ahead and upload from your computer. Okay. For example, I'm just going to be using this one. I'm just going to drag and drop it right here onto the image icon like so. And then you can go ahead and add your caption from here. For example, my YouTube channel. All right. You can go ahead and add paragraphs right here. And then you could also put some hyperlinks, like click on this hyperlink icon or link, click on it. You can add web pages, email, document, or even a phone. Okay. For example, web pages. And we're going to name it maybe visit my Facebook page. Okay. And don't forget to enter the URL right here, like so. Maybe that one. Okay. Head on insert. And when someone clicks on this hyperlink, they'll be landed to the URL that you have entered here. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.